Hello, it's Captain Jokeswell and I am going to read a poem from my new book called Rhyme Ain't a Crime. The fastest birds in the world. On a field trip I saw a pilgrim falcon, like an arrow of steel, pounce on its rock-pigeon meal. But not a thick branch towards me like running. The encounter with the forehead and hardwood was absolutely stunning. 'Cause around my noodle, stars and regular ducks did easily something like 3 marks. And that was when I discovered and found basic waterfowl can go 3 times faster than the speed of sound.